long, no? It's not really easy to conduct a piano tutorial, but I'm just going to demonstrate itong piece na to na Numb. This is by Linkin Park. So actually kung sa original, because its genre is alternative rock, so actually pag pakinggan mo siya, very rock yun siya. But there is also another style of playing this one na hindi siya rock. Okay siya sa emotion mo, okay siya sa pandinig mo. Then, pwede mo siyang maging relaxing music, or you can make it even a background music. It depends upon how you like it, how to use this. So, ako naman, I'm just going to demonstrate yung portion na merong pagka-rock, but not pattern sa original. Yung sa akin lang na pagka-rock, then I'm also going to demonstrate na some parts of this piece, I'm going to play it as relaxing. So, here we go. Sa intro pa tayo. Sorry po for the mistakes. Ito naman, i-rock ko dito ang side. Ito yung gusto ko. Hinaan ko na naman. Pasensya lang minsan, nawawala ako. Pwede din gawing pang background kung magsasalita ka. Ito. Rock tayo. guys. I hope you can support me in my YouTube channel. I want to see you all there. I want to do more inspiring piano music playing. So, goodbye for this day.